Job 21820. It's called AutoNation Tum Alum. This is for Fouché. This is a customer, a contractor that I've worked with since 2003, and they shot over this project to me. 12150 Northeast Bellevue Redmond Road. It's existing property right now that they are changing into this car lot, all these vehicles. Let's talk about the extruded curbing first. I've got it highlighted in green here where the extruded curb is. It's 6 by 10 inch curb, and it includes epoxy adhesive. And the footage on that is 1,291 lineal feet. You'll see I didn't put it where the sidewalks are. There's concrete sidewalks that they're adding on this project, and I'm going to approach them after I give them the bid on the asphalt to see if maybe we can include concrete sidewalk as well. Okay, so 1,291 lineal feet of 6 by 10 with epoxy. Next, you'll see there's a note on bollards. There are 33 bollards that run where all those dots are on I guess it'd be the south end of the property. 33 bollards there. And there's 21 bollards over here where those dots are. Bollard detail, 6-inch diameter bollards that are 2.5 feet above ground and 3 feet below ground. So we need to order 6-foot pipe bollards, okay? Just to be safe, order 6-foot. It needs a 3.5 foot hole to be dug. So that's an 18-inch diameter hole that we need to dig and make a concrete base for. Okay, so 6-inch pipe in there, and then you've got 12 inches plus 2, so you got about 14 inches of concrete to put around those pipes. And then you got to fill the pipe up with concrete around the top. And they don't want bollard covers on these, so we need to do probably paint them yellow. So there'll be a separate, probably a trip to paint those yellow when we go to do the parking stall painting. Okay, so we're gonna stripe all the parking stalls and we're gonna put these arrows in. And right now there are 174 parking stalls, and those parking stalls are 17 feet long. All right, no ADA, no crosshatch. There are 10-inch no parking fire lane stencils that are painted white. There's 7 each. There's 16-inch red line. That's 140 lineal feet. And then you've got 4-inch red line. That's 800 feet. So along this driveway that goes from south to north, as you can see here, that's your fire lane area. And you can see there's some black lines in the drawing that run up and down every so many feet. What that is that's this detail right here. It's a red band that gets painted across, and then the no parking fire lane stencils get painted on top. All right, and then up here where it says 50-foot spacing, you see on the sides of the drive aisle is where the 4-inch red striping goes on both sides. So you got 4-inch red line, and then you got these 16-inch red lines going like that through the property. Detail on the arrow. I already told you how many arrows there were. There's 8 of them, and that's the detail. Detail for the extruded curb. We also need to add 3/4-inch PVC drain pipes at 10 foot on center. So out of that 1,291 lineal feet, we need to put PVC pipe in the curbing every 10 feet. I'd probably say that the curbing is going to take probably at least 2 days, since it's a little over 500 feet. 2 long days, especially if we have to put that PVC pipe in there too. The striping should only be a day on the stalls, and then the fire lane there, I mean, it might carry into an additional day, but they should be able to get all that done. I take that back. It's probably going to be about a day and a half of striping, I'm guessing, for our crew to do it. We're not going to include the gate here with the signage on it that'll be a different discussion. Okay, now we're going to talk about the pink area and the yellow area. The pink area is asphalt overlay on top of existing asphalt. We need to assume 3 inches on these 2 areas. And what we're doing is we're pouring up to an existing concrete wall, I think that's on these corners here. So it looks something like this. Existing in section A, you've got an existing slab and wall, and then there's like a wheel stop up above. What they're wanting to do is they're going to remove some of this slab here, and then we'll end up doing a new overlay paving on top of existing. So they're wanting to assume 3 inches, and we'll have to key cut around the outside on these. And the total overlay is 2,171 square feet. Then there's 2 trench patches that we need to do, 38 feet by 2 and 20 feet by 2. Let's assume 4 inches on the asphalt here. We'll do 4 inches, and that is right here and right here. Okay, that's your 38 feet coming down where they'll do a trench, and then another 20 feet right there. And then last thing is I'd like to do a bid option per their request to do seal coating, which is all in the blue here. And I'm going to save this screenshot to Google Drive. The areas that are in white, I believe, are concrete. So that square footage for seal coat is 33,371 square feet. And with that 33,371 square feet, please add 800 feet of crack fill. Okay? So that's it for now. I don't think I have anything else to provide you with there on that. The staging, I'm not quite sure where we'll be able to stage our equipment yet. But it looks like because it's under construction, we'll be able to stage right on top of, or right on the property. Any other questions, let me know. But everything's saved to Google Drive. Thank you.